So Richard, what are we going to see today?
Electronic components are sensitive to the temperature of their surroundings. In particular, thick and thin film resistors can drift drastically when subjected to temperature changes. However, Vishay precision group foil resistors will remain rock stable regardless of their operating environment. They have a virtually zero temperature coefficient of resistance. Let me show you what I mean. I have 3 test resistors, one from each technology: thick film, thin film, and foil. This test setup records the resistance change of the test resistor on the laptop screen. I'm going to heat and cool the test resistor with a heat gun and a can of quick freeze and change its surrounding temperature from plus 100 degrees C to minus 50 degrees C in a couple of seconds. Let's start with a thick film unit and see what happens. Okay, it's going to start recording the resistance of this unit here shortly. I'm going to hold a heat gun on it. You see it drives in one direction. Let me freeze it the other way.
It went all over the graph. So what does that mean?
It means this unit has a very high temperature coefficient of resistance.
And look at that ice.
Yes, there are plenty of applications that see temperatures like minus 50 degrees centigrade. Now let's try the thin film unit. Then I'm going to start with the hot temperature. You see it drives it in a different direction.
Yeah, I see how that one changed, but in the opposite direction.
It's better than the thick film, but as you can see, it still changed several hundred ppm. Finally, the Vishay precision group foil resistor. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with the hot again. And the cold. Hot. And the cold. It's a temperature swing of almost 150 degrees centigrade.
Wow, that didn't change at all. And the resistance change is different from the other 2 resistors we saw. So what would that mean in a circuit or application?
Let's say, for instance, the application was in the avionics package of a high-performance jet aircraft. In a matter of seconds, the aircraft would see a tremendous temperature swing from taking off at a runway in a tropical location to high-altitude flight. The flight characteristics of the jet depends on the stability of the resistors in the avionics package. Look at the graph again and tell me, if you were the pilot, which resistor type would you select?
That's an easy choice. Vishay Precision Group.
Vishay Precision Group foil resistors are very unique because they have a virtually zero temperature coefficient of resistance. If the application is going to be subject to variations in operating temperature, this test shows that for flawless performance, Vishay Precision Group foil resistors must be the resistor of choice.
What other types of application might see significant temperature changes?
Besides the obvious military and aerospace jobs, Vishay Precision Group resistors, just like the ones we used in this test, are used in the medical field and any place high accuracy instrumentation is used. For more information about our complete line of bulk metal foil resistors, please visit our website.